Hi, welcome to my channel! 普段私たちはですね、ファームジョブの仕事してるんですけど、今日はデイオフなので公園に来ていくつか韓国語のフレーズをお勉強していきたいと思います。ちなみに私たちはオーストラリアビクトリア州にあるエチューカっていうところでファームジョブの仕事してます。何のファームジョブをしてるかっていうと、キャノーラの油あるじゃないですか。それの原料になるカノーラのお花のピッキングの仕事です。仕事は外での仕事になるんですけど、今は、冬の終わりかけなので気候もそんなに暑くなくていいシーズンで働けるおすすめできるファームジョブです。でエチューカはビザエクステンドできる区域なので、2年目のビザを取るときに私はミートファクトリーでも働いてたんですけど、そこで88日間のペイスリップをもらって2年目突入してます。でまだエチューカにいるっていう感じですね。あと私たちはエチューカにあるバックパッカーに住んでて、で今日は同じファームジョブしてる子たちでちょっとしたパーティーがあるみたいなので、今日のパーティーの様子もちょっとお見せします。それでは韓国語学んでいきましょう。
First, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. This is everyone know that.
잘 부탁드립니다.
잘 부탁드립니다. What does it mean? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
잘 부탁드립니다.
드립니다.
잘 부탁드립니다.
That one for the older than you. Someone who younger than me, younger than you. 잘 부탁해요.
잘 부탁해요.
Korea, we don't have a how are you. In Japan, you guys have the 오겐키 desu ka? Korean how are you is 밥 먹었어요.
밥 먹었어요?
or 식사하셨어요.
식사하셨어요?
That is, we caring about the meal. No matter just someone who had a meal or not, we just ask them. 식사하셨어요?
That's Korean style. How are you?
Korean style.
밥, meal.
먹다
먹다,
is eat.
eat.
먹었어
먹었어.
is ate.
Past way.
요 is
요.
polite way.
Polite way. 밥 먹었어요?
Or 식사하셨어요.
식사하셨어요?
식사 is meal.
meal.
오늘 더워요. 오늘 더워요.
더워요.
Which means 더워. It's hot. The weather is hot. 오늘 추워요. Which means it's cold.
韓国語にはおっていうサウンドとあっていうサウンド、よも同じでよっていうサウンドとやっていうサウンドの違いがあるみたいなので、そこはちょっと気をつけなきゃいけないですね。
다녀오셨어요?
다녀오셨어요?
We living together. I went to work. Then I arrived home. I didn't say 타다이마. What would you say?
おかえり。
Yeah. That is 다녀오셨어요. Polite way.
What
Much polite
about
way.
casual way?
Casual way. 왔어?
왔어?
I can say that. 나 왔어. Which means 타다이마.
나 왔어. When I want to say 타다이마, 나 왔어. おかえり왔어? What about いってらっしゃい? Bye, take care. 다녀오세요.
다녀오세요. That is polite way. The casual way. 잘 가.
잘 가.
or 갔다 와.
갔다 와.
Go and come back.
Same meaning. いってらっしゃい. What about 行ってきます.
간다.
간다.
가다 is go. But 간다, I'm going, I'm leaving. The polite way. 다녀올게.
Okay.
It's polite way. 다녀 is go out, and 올게 means come back.
In Korea, it's the same as Japan. You guys really care about who is the older, who is the younger.
It depends of the family. It depends of the people.
But when I work in Korea, when I
What if you
talk
work
with
in the
someone,
Korea? You won't say that 씁니다.
is it too much?
Too much. The other one, 뭐
뭐
하고
하고
있어요.
있어요?
뭐 하고 있어요.
뭐 하고 있어요?
Which means what are you doing? Polite way. 뭐 하고 있어요. The casual way, 뭐 해?
뭐 해?
Or you can say that what are you doing now? 지금 뭐 해?
지금 뭐 해? And grammar. Korean grammar and Japanese grammar is pretty similar.
Everything's same.
Yeah. Born? Oh! Congrats!
Just born.
Your sister's okay?
That's
あー、たった今チャギヤのお姉さんの赤ちゃんが生まれました。あー、男の子です。 そう、今夜のパーティーの様子があったら見てってください。もうちょっとで食べ始めます。この前とお友達がワインをくれたんですけど、一人じゃ飲みきれないので友達を誘って今からパーティーします。なるべくフランスっぽい感じにしたんですけど、どうかな。 Okay, let's eat with my friends. Something. You said something. Bobo made it for us. Your meal.
Yeah, this is Nagila fish there.
Raw hucha.
Yeah.
Okay.
How you love it?
Smells so good.
You sold your cup of soup.
Okay. Amazing. Yay! This one is so yummy. Amazing.
She's busy.